Hey, good morning everyone. Quick video here. We're out of camp, it's a bit wet, but we're looking out for a bit of brekkie. So we're going to try out this, got it recently. This is the KickAss 12 volt Jaffle maker. Got it on special at KickAss. It's under 50 bucks at the moment. But yeah, we thought we'd purchase one because we recently got lithium batteries. So we thought we'd purchase one of these, take it out to camp, see if they actually work, and do a little bit of a review on it. So stick around, we'll check it out. So yeah, we'll open them up, take a look. Better put this knife down, bloody dangerous. Alright. Okay, let's take a look. Nice packaging there. Oh, it looks like the little clip handle there. Oh yeah, take a look at it. Looks pretty nice. So just quickly taking a look at the back. So it is for 12 volt, 340 watt, as you can see there. So with this here, shouldn't draw too much, but yeah, keep an eye on depending on what batteries you have and that sort of stuff, and how much you actually use this for the amp draw. But having a look at this straight away, it does come with a Anderson plug. So you can plug it straight into your battery, your battery boxes, or you set up in your canopies and that sort of stuff, which is pretty cool. Having a quick look at the manual, it does say that you need a 50 amp fuse between your battery box or your power supply to this unit. Most battery boxes anyway will have a 50 amp fuse in, so you can safely use this. But Suze has actually buttered up some cheap servo bread. So we're going to make up some toasties just with a bit of spaghetti, whack it in here and take a look at it. When Suze puts the spaghetti in, I am going to heat this up for a couple of minutes before we put it in, and they reckon that it should take about 10 minutes to pump out some really nice toasties. So we'll take a look. I think that I just noticed, sorry, so it's got a clip there, but it actually has a spare one in the box. But yeah, look, we'll take a quick look at that first. Nice one. But yeah, we'll plug this into the battery box, get it heated up. Suze will fill up those slices of servo bread, and we'll pump it in here and take a look. Awesome. Alright guys, so I'll plug it in to heat up. Yep. So yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, while that's heating up, we'll get them ready and whack them in and see how we go. I'm just supervising here, making sure that Suze does a good job.
I'll overfill it for sure.
Oh, we always do. It's not a toasty if it's not spilling out the sides, right? Okay, so it's absolutely bucketing down, but Suze, it's all ready to go. Suze is just going to whack these on and yeah, we'll give them a crack. Close them down. Yeah, you got to feed it a bit of fat there, I think. Oh. Yeah, so it's been around sort of 10-minute mark, sort of a couple minutes there for heating up and cooking them. So yeah, we'll open them up and take a bit of a look. It's steaming and shit spilling out the side. So
because I overfilled it. Oh,
that's actually not too bad.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's not too bad at all. And just to turn this off, all you got to do is unplug it. Awesome, we'll take these toasties out and take a bit of a gaze, but yeah, pretty bloody awesome. Hey guys, so there it is, take a look. It's it definitely does the job, that's for sure. I think it would be pretty handy, you know, pulling up after a long drive or something like that and just having a quick toasty or something like that. It'd be pretty bloody good. And for the price of it, got it under 50 bucks from KickAss. So yeah, it's definitely pretty good. I think Suze and I will definitely be using this out with the kids. Ham, cheese, toasties, all of that sort of stuff. But yeah, pretty bloody awesome. So we're gonna tuck into these. But yeah, cheers. But yeah, look, normally Suze and I would, you know, do the toasties on the bloody Jaffle iron on the fire and stuff like that. But for times like this, where it's absolutely pissing down rain, it's actually a good bit of gear that we can actually just put in to do it without having to have a fire or anything like that. So yeah, just thought I'd add that. It's not something that we normally do, but yeah, great bit of gear. All right, now who's going to clean this up?
Not me.
Bloody grubs.
LT drew the short straw.
Hey, hey.
Just on that